Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Suraj from B10X here. Forget about that office water cooler talk. Today we are diving into something way cooler, AI. Imagine a secret weapon for your investments, like a genie in a trading app. Yes, that's what AI can be, your money making buddy. But before move on or dive into the topic, B10X has an exclusive workshop on AI tools for you. The workshop will teach you how to use AI like a boss. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
So now let's imagine AI as your super efficient data analysis partner. They crunch numbers faster than Usain Bolt runs, see patterns we miss, and predict what stock will sizzle and what will fizzle. That's right. AI can help you make smart investment decisions and say goodbye to that chakkar mein padna and all. Humans versus machine. Who wins in the money game? Hey, we humans gotta admit, emotions mess up our decisions sometimes, right? Greed, fear, that FOMO feeling, they all lead to wrong investments. But AI plays it cool, pure, no drama. So with AI on your side, imagine the profit party you can host. Think of predicting tomorrow's weather of investments. AI can do that and more. Imagine which stock will soar and which will flop like a stale samosa. With AI tools like Pluto, AI Signal, and Morphlin, AI power are right there at your fingertips. Let's meet these AI rockstar one by one. Pluto, your AI investing co-pilot. No fees, no tension. Picture this, a co-pilot who never gets tired of analyzing the markets and help you trade without paying a single penny. That's Pluto for you guys. It's like having your own AI group, whether you are a rookie or a seasoned pro. Let's see its future. Getting live trading data, set your own rules, and receive smart messages to guide your decisions. Feeling tech savvy? Pluto lets you test your strategies with Python and blocks. Code your way to profits. Follow market trends and even pop culture buzz with Pluto AI models. Because sometimes what's trending on Twitter can also trend in the markets. Use it on your computer or phone for free. And for extra features like unlimited smart messages and warning to invest, become a member and unlock Pluto's full potential. Let's talk about our another AI rockstar, AI Signals. Secret AI advisor whispering hot tips. This one's like a secret AI advisor whispering in your ears, telling you exactly when to buy or sell stock, forex and crypto. It's not available to everyone yet, so getting on the waiting list is like getting an exclusive VIP pass to the hottest club in the town. Let's see its feature. Get real-time advice directly on your chart, so you always know the best time to make a move. Benefit from automatic risk checks, order blocks, and quick alerts to stay ahead of the game. Join the Discord group to connect with other traders and learn from the best. AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will definitely do. So you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career? Be an AI powered pro. Join our exclusive workshop now. Learn from the best tools, from the best teachers, boost your profits and secure your future. Click the link in the description and register before the early bird offer runs out. Now let's move on and talk about our another rockstar, Morphlin. Automate your trading and earn passively like a boss. So you want to earn money while you sleep, eat or binge watch your favorite shows, right? Morphlin makes it possible with its AI powered lending grid tactics and real-time trading alerts across different markets. It's like having a team of robots working 24/7. Let's talk about its features. Get easy to understand data and charts so you can pick the best way to earn passively even if you are not a trading expert. Set up your strategies and alert to the trade instantly. no matter the market. Connect with the platform like Mumi, Crypto Explorer, and Bitfinex, lending for even more profits. Get performance details like success rates and maximum losses to make informed decisions. Join their community spaces to share ideas and learn from the fellow traders, because together we are smarter and stronger, right? Receive live information worldwide on different messaging apps so you never miss a beat. Stay connected to the market and your investments wherever you are. So, there you have it, right? AI just not for robots anymore. It's ready to be investing buddy. With Pluto, AI signals, and Morphlin, you can get the data, the insight, and the automation you need to make smarter investment decisions and boost your profits. Don't just watch the future of investing unfold. Be part of it. Join B10X AI Smart Investments workshop and unlock the power of AI for your portfolio. Learn from the experts, master the tools, and take control of your financial future. Click the link in the description below to register now and say goodbye to the investing blues. And remember, early bird registration comes with a special discount, so don't wait, just get it. Now this is Suraj Usrate shining off. Till then, keep learning, keep growing with B10X, and don't forget to hit like and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.